Hello and welcome to this new video. This is going to be an introduction to the Rain Salutation. I came across this salutation on Facebook by a yoga teachers group and I found it very interesting. It's full of twists, it's very nice, and apparently it's not calling for rain, so no worries on that side. We've been blessed with a lot of sunshine lately, so yes, let me show you what it is. So, I'm going to guide you first through one, and then together we're going to do one in more fluid way. So, first one, you exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, look at your left heel. Inhale, center. Look at your right heel. Inhale, center. Exhale, downward dog. Exhale. Right foot comes in between the hands. And inhale, up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, come to triangle. So both hips, both shoulders parallel and against this imaginary wall behind you. Right hand down, exhale. Reverse triangle. Left hand down, right arm up. And back to center. Change the feet. Correct the hips and the shoulders. Exhale, triangle. Inhale, back. Exhale, reverse triangle. Then back to high lunge. I prefer high lunge to warrior one, but you can do warrior one. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Back to center. Inhale, center. Downward dog, exhale. And inhale, Cobra. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, child's pose. You can stay there a couple of breaths. And then inhale, up. Exhale, out. Alright, you get a bit of the idea behind. So, okay, let's do together. Because I'm on that side now, I'm going to do left leg first, but otherwise you get the idea. So, first out, then inhale up, exhale, child's pose. Inhale, Cobra, exhale, heel. Inhale, center. Exhale, the other heel. Inhale, center. Downward dog, exhale. And left foot in between the hands. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, the other. Inhale, center. And triangle, exhale. Inhale, center, reverse triangle. Inhale, center, change the feet, correct the hips, and triangle, right hand on the right leg. Exhale, inhale, come back. Exhale, reverse triangle. Inhale, come back. High lunge, and exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, heel. Inhale, center. Exhale, the other heel. Inhale, center. Child's pose. Exhale. Inhale, hero. exhale, hands down. Very good. Let me know if you enjoyed it, if you want some more of those salutations that are a bit unusual. Yeah. Let me know if you enjoy those original salutations. I think they really have something different. It's a nice flow. It's available to pretty much any level. And when you get a bit bored of doing Sun Salutation after a few years, it's nice to spice it up a bit. So let me know in the comments if you know another variation or if you want another one. Otherwise, you can subscribe to stay tuned with the next videos I'm going to come up with. Or you can go back to the basics with the Sun Salutation the way I teach. It doesn't mean it's the right one. Alright, cheers, have a good day.